mga kabro! Welcome back to my channel. I am here, Teacher Shi, to share with you another video conferencing application that we may use in online teaching. Okay, so ito na share ko sa inyo last time sa vlog ko na Zoom. Ngayon naman, i-share ko sa inyo yung parang ka-counterpart niyan sa G Suite applications ng Google. So, ito ay isa ring video conferencing applications na pwede natin magamit as educators or as teachers. At ano ito? Ito ay ang Google Meet.
So, ngayon, ang isi-share ko sa inyo is yung ways on how to join a meeting using Google Meet. So, there are 3 ways to join a meeting using Google Meet. First, so you open the Google Meet application. It's the Meet. And then, you encode the meeting code. So, if the meeting code was provided by the host, you may encode it here. And then, you just click Join Meeting. The second one is kung naka-schedule naman na siya dun sa Google Calendar mo kasi nakalink naman siya dito sa apps na to. Yan, yung nakikita nyo to, ito po. Nakalagay dyan, swipe up to see your meetings. So, you just click, swipe it up, and then lalabas po dun yung naka-schedule na meeting ninyo. So, you just click it, and then join meeting. And then yan. So, antayin nyo lang na i-accept po kayo nung host nung meeting. Okay? Third, yung third naman is, kung halimbawa naman, sinend naman yan sa inyo through Messenger. So, click nyo lang yung link. So, for example, yan. Yung link na yan. Click nyo lang yan. And then, papasok na yan dun sa Google Meet application mo agad. So, yan na. So, since tapos na yung meeting na yun, so I'm not allowed to join. Pero yun lang. So, ito na yung 3 ways kung paano mag-join ng meeting in a Google Meet using your mobile phone.